DJI continues to push the boundaries of drone technology, and its latest developments have sparked excitement among enthusiasts. The recent launch of the DJI Flip, a foldable and portable drone, has already made waves, but rumors of the DJI Neo 2 are generating even greater anticipation. Neo 2 rumors and DJI's expanding lineup. The speculation about the Neo 2 originates from Jasper Ellens, a reliable source in the drone community. Ellens has accurately predicted previous DJI releases, including the Air 3S and Goggles N3. According to his leaks, the Neo 2 could launch later this year, adding to an already impressive lineup that might also include the Mavic 4 series and Mini 5. With such an array of potential releases, DJI appears set for a transformative year. While the Flip is designed for portability, the Neo 2 is expected to cater to mid-range enthusiasts who seek high performance without the premium price tag of flagship models like the Mavic series. The DJI Flip is an ultra-compact foldable drone tailored for users prioritizing portability. It's ideal for hobbyists and content creators who want convenience without sacrificing essential performance. On the other hand, the Neo 2 is rumored to build on its predecessor's strengths, offering a balanced mix of innovation and affordability. Possible upgrades could include improved battery life, enhanced camera capabilities, and advanced flight features like AI-assisted modes and refined obstacle avoidance. These improvements would make the Neo 2 an appealing choice for users who need a reliable, high-performance drone without stepping into the flagship price range. While much attention is on the Neo 2, DJI's upcoming releases may include the Mavic 4 and Mini 5. The Mavic 4 series, expected to include the Mavic 4 and Mavic 4 Pro, is rumored to feature cutting-edge technology such as superior camera resolution, enhanced AI capabilities, and better flight stability, making it a game-changer for professional users. Meanwhile, the Mini 5 is expected to be an entry-level offering, perfect for casual users who want an affordable yet capable drone. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 may launch in late 2025, following the release of the Mavic 4 series. Some sources even speculate that DJI could release the Neo 2 and Mini 5 simultaneously, an unusual move for the company, which typically staggers product launches to maximize impact. If the Neo 2 follows DJI's trend of incremental upgrades, it may not revolutionize the mid-range market, but could refine key aspects of its predecessor. Expected improvements include extended battery life for longer flights, an upgraded camera for sharper imagery, and software enhancements such as improved subject tracking and intelligent flight modes. While these updates may not be groundbreaking, they would make the Neo 2 a solid option for users looking for the latest in mid-range drone technology. However, for current Neo owners, the upgrades might not be significant enough to justify an immediate switch. The coming year looks promising for DJI, with multiple rumored releases catering to different users. From the compact Flip and refined Neo 2 to the professional-grade Mavic 4 and accessible Mini 5, DJI is ensuring there's a drone for every need and budget. For buyers, this means an abundance of choices. Whether you're a hobbyist, content creator, or professional, DJI's expanding lineup will likely offer a model that aligns with your needs. Staying informed about these developments ensures you can make the best decision when it's time to invest in a new drone.